Hi guys, it's me Risa. Welcome to my kitchen. I hope you're doing great. I don't know about you guys, but after a workout or being outside on a hot sunny day, I like something refreshing and a cold, delicious treat. So I'm going to teach you how to make a 4-ingredient pudding popsicle, okay? And it's a pistachio pudding popsicle. But look what I found at the dollar store. These cute molds. I love them, okay? So, whatever you find, you could use, all right? And this 4-ingredient delicious treat is great to have for yourself, for your family, for your kids, your grandchildren, and super fast. So what are you gonna need? I have 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt that I'm just gonna add to my bowl. And I like using my little spatula so that I get all the delicious Greek yogurt out. Now this is 0 fat and plain, and depending where you live, you can get different brands. It doesn't matter, whatever brand you like, but make sure that it's 0 fat and it's Greek yogurt, okay? And plain Greek yogurt. Now, the other thing that I'm gonna add is sugar-free pistachio pudding mix, okay? And I'm using 2 tablespoons, which is half the package, and that's 2 smart points on WW. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons, and then I'm just gonna mix that up. And you'll see this beautiful color that it gets, this beautiful green color. And it's so tasty and delicious. One of my favorite puddings is pistachio, but I like that it's guilt-free, okay? So look at that beautiful green color, and let's just taste it. So yummy. And we're gonna add 1 cup of, I have these crushed pineapple, and if you have tidbits and in its own juice. So I'm adding 1 cup and mixing that in. Just so easy and fast. Okay, and I'm just gonna use about a 1/4 cup of some milk. Some almond milk, and you can use whatever you like, okay, just to give it even more creaminess, okay? So you'll see the texture. You want to use a fork, you want to use a whisk, and that's it, okay? So that's it, and then you just take your mold, and we're just going to add it. So I'm just going to use this, my 1/4 cupper to fill it. You saw how fast and easy this is. And, depending on how big your molds are, you can get lots. Or these are quite large, so this will fit it perfectly. There might be a drop left, which I'm excited about. And why am I excited? Because then, oh my God, that is so delicious. And then you get to eat the rest yourself. All right, so let's put, can't stop eating this. It's so yummy. So we're gonna put this in the freezer for a few hours. And what I do, my trick is, I know these are super cute. Make sure they're on well. Just push them right down, okay? And if a little bit comes out on the side, just wipe it off. Just wipe it off gently. And dun da da da. These are going to be so yummy. They're one of my favorite things. And again, you can do it for yourself, for company, for your children, your grandchildren. Make it together or surprise them, okay? And really low in fat and sugar, but full of flavor, okay? So anyways, and you know, again, if you don't have pistachio and you want to use a different pudding flavor, you can. And I buy this at the low carb grocery store here in Canada, but I'm sure anywhere you are, you can find sugar-free puddings, okay? But I love the pistachio. Look at this color, okay? And with the pineapple, the combination is super duper yummy and delicious. And what I was going to tell you is once you freeze them, okay, all you do is put them under some hot water and twist it and take it out. And that's it. Okay, so normally I show you what it looks like afterwards, but you can see that they just come out like a delicious popsicle, pudding pop, whatever you want to call them. 4 ingredients, my friends. 2 smart points for the whole thing if you eat all of them on WW, all right? So I hope you love this recipe. Tell me what you think. Comment below. If you change it up, comment below. Please make sure you tell other people about my channel and subscribe. Mwah! Bye for now. Love you guys. Take care and enjoy your pudding pops. All right. Bye for now.